Hey everyone, if you've been banned from WhatsApp with an instant review denial, you're not alone, and it can be frustrating, especially if you didn't break any obvious rules. Let's break down why it happens and how to get back on fast. Most instant denials are automated bans. The system flags your account, maybe due to a suspicious link you forwarded, use of modded WhatsApp apps, or even because your phone number was previously used by someone who got banned. Already appealed? Wait a few days. A human will eventually review it. But if it's denied again, you'll need a new approach. Since bans can be tied to your number and device ID, switching to a new SIM or spare phone may help, but it's a hassle. A better option? Use a virtual number for WhatsApp verification. It's fast, private, and you don't need a physical SIM. I personally use LegitSMS.com. They offer affordable instant numbers that work with WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. Here's a quick step-by-step on how to get a WhatsApp number using LegitSMS. Visit LegitSMS.com, sign up or log in. Before you generate a number, you need to top up your wallet using different payment method available. Click on Deposit button by the top right hand. You will be redirected to the deposit page. LegitSMS.com offers different payment method. You can pay with bank card, Union Pay, Google and Apple Pay, Cash App, Klarna, Pix, PaySafeCard, cryptocurrencies, and other payment gateway. Choose your preferred payment option and enter amount to deposit. You can manually enter the amount or click on the preset. The minimum deposit is $5. Click the Deposit Now button and you will be redirected to payment page to finalize deposit. In this tutorial, I used USDT as payment option. When using cryptocurrency as payment method, always make sure to select the right network to avoid losing your crypto. After successful deposit, navigate to the SMS verification section. The lists of available platforms are displayed. Select WhatsApp and scroll down the country lists. You can purchase phone numbers from more than 170 countries for SMS verification. This makes LegitSMS.com the #1 virtual phone number provider. Click on any country. The pop-up will display the order for you to recheck. Make sure everything is correct before you click on Confirm Payment. A number will be generated immediately. You will be redirected to the active page and wait for SMS code. Copy the number and enter it on WhatsApp to request for code. Once the SMS code reaches the number, it will be displayed on the LegitSMS.com dashboard. If you did not receive code after the timeout or within 10-15 minutes, click Cancel button and generate another number or choose a different country. The deducted amount will be refunded back to your wallet.